In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Getresponse for beginners. By the end, you will have 3 core pieces set up: a contact list to store subscribers, a landing page to collect signups, and an autoresponder message that sends automatically the moment someone joins your list. Start by creating your list. In your Getresponse account, go to Tools, then Contacts, then Create List. Give the list a clear, specific name that matches what people are signing up for, so you can recognize it later. Naming matters because you may create more lists in the future, and a good name helps you stay organized when you build campaigns and automate follow-ups. Next, you will create a landing page. Go back to Tools, choose Landing Pages, and click Create Landing Page. You will be asked to select a template. Choose a design that fits your goal and looks clean on mobile, since many people will sign up from their phones. After you pick a template, click Edit to open the page builder. Inside the editor, focus on keeping your message simple and consistent. Make sure the page clearly communicates what the visitor gets for signing up, and confirm the sign-up form is connected to the list you just created, so new contacts go to the right place. When you are happy with the layout, click Next. Take a moment to review the page settings and confirm everything looks correct. Then click Publish to make your landing page live. Once published, you can use the landing page link anywhere you promote your offer, such as social media, videos, or ads. Now set up your automated email. Go to Tools, then Autoresponders, and click Create Autoresponder. Choose the correct list, so this message goes to the same subscribers who joined through your landing page. Set the day of cycle to 0. This means the email will send immediately after someone subscribes, which is ideal for a welcome message or delivering a promised free resource. Then click Design Message. Pick an email template and edit it to match your brand and purpose. Keep the subject line clear, and in the email body, deliver what you promised, and tell subscribers what to expect next. When you are done, click Next, then Save and Publish to activate the autoresponder. That covers everything you need to know.